back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an empty house tour of our new home. And today to pick up our keys. It feels amazing, and we just had to do some last signing, documentary, handing over of the keys. Amazing. So I've gone through all the rooms already, so I decided to do a little empty house tour with you guys, so you guys see how it looks like now. And then in the various contents coming up later, we are going to be doing redecorating, that's from one room to another. I'm very excited because I have lots of content coming up. Let me not say much and show you guys an entire tour of the house. As you can see behind me already, this is our sitting area. Alright guys, so that's the sitting area. All those stuffs right there need to be taken out. And then that's a bathroom. You guys can see from here it needs some work right up there, needs some deep cleaning. This is really how some people misuse a house and leave it. Hi. So it needs to do some work. I really love this area here. And then that's our kitchen. So that's the entry. That's the first sleeping room right there. All of that black wallpaper needs to come out. I don't like it. This is the entry into the toddler's room. And there we have it. One thing we love about the house is it has a lot of space. It's really big. This is the sitting area. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do make sure to click on that subscription button and equal your notification bell, so each time interesting videos are coming up, you'll definitely be the first to be notified. Alright guys, I need to start get going because we have a lot of things to prepare, a lot of things to still pack. And yes, I'll be seeing you in my next video, but before then, make sure to check out one of this and keep yourself entertained. Love you guys so much. Bye.